Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what's the crack, as we say here in Dublin? This is a completely random video, right? So last Sunday, I was strolling through Ikea with my wife and baby, right? And we're going through the kitchen section. All of a sudden, I see on the whiteboard this thing, right? I was like, hey, do you know what? Let's try this out, right? So here we are today, and this is going to be a review video. I've got no idea if this is nice. Maybe it's nice, maybe it's disgusting. I'll tell you at the end. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you like vegan food from all around the world, just hit the like button, hit subscribe. I will love you for it. And also leave a comment down below if you've got any requests. Folks, have a good one. Let's get cooking.
And as always, folks, the full recipe will be in the description, just in case this is going too fast for you. So we're going to start off by zesting our lemon, just all around. Then we're going to boil our kale for 30 seconds, literally 30 seconds to 1 minute is fine. You'll see it instantly changes colour, goes nice dark. I'm going to add that now in cold water, just to prevent it from basically cooking even more. And I'm just going to literally just throw everything into the blender. That's it. And of course, squeeze the lemon. Make sure you don't get any seeds in there, and just give that a whiz. Make sure you clean your countertop, keep the wife happy. And that's done. Easy. And as our water's boiling, we're just going to put in the pasta or the spaghetti. Then once that's done, I'm just going to grease my already non-stick pan with some olive oil, and I'm just literally just going to throw in the spaghetti and a bit of the sauce on top. Give it a nice stir, make sure your plate's nice and clean and presentable for photos that you may want to take for the gram. And there you have it. Okay folks, so we're going to do a quick taste test here, and I swear to you I'm going to be 100% honest. I must say though, the sauce when I tried it earlier fresh was really good. Wait, let me show my selfie mode. So basically, right, I had a haircut, kind of, short back and sides, long on the top. So anyway, right, let's do a taste test. One second, I'll tell you again. Okay, not bad. Okay. It's good. It's really good. Love the lemon. Love the lemon, love the garlic. It's actually surprisingly good. I don't usually do healthy stuff on my channel. This is possibly one of the healthiest things I've ever made. Ever. But this is good. This is... Okay, so would I make this again? 100%, but I'd use regular pasta. I don't like whole wheat pasta, spaghetti. It's just not it, right? You're gonna have that white flour. It's all about the white flour. Flavor-wise, this is really, really nice. 100%. I'd recommend this actually. I would say try this. Do try it. Ikea, hats off to you. It's good. It's a very good recipe, folks. If you enjoyed watching me make this and you want to see more videos like this, please do hit the like button, hit subscribe. I will love you for it. Have a good one, folks. Until next time. Ciao for now. How's that for evidence? Very nice. Folks, what's going on? Right, so I'm just in the middle of editing this video and I had an idea. What if whoever wrote that thing on the whiteboard got that recipe from someone else? I don't want to steal anyone's recipes, none of that plagiarism bullshit, right? I don't do that drama, yeah? Lucky I checked. Anyway, this recipe belongs to somebody called Tracey Raye. Apparently it's literally identical, the exact recipe. So full credit where it's due. I'm just going to show you her Instagram here. Right, so Tracey Raye, going to show some love. She came up with this recipe, full credit to her. Anyway, folks, ciao for now.